Hey, what's up guys? I'm coming at you with a new video. Today I'm installing some race levers on my CBR600 F4i. I'm really excited to do this, guys. The levers that are on the bike are really trashed. I mean, they've seen a lot of abuse. And by installing these new levers, it's gonna give me more control. I think it's gonna feel better too, and it's gonna look cooler. So let's hop over to the bike and get installing. Alright, here are the tools that you're going to need to do this job. You will need a flathead screwdriver, a 4mm hex bit, an 8mm socket, and a 10mm socket. Alright, let's start working on the bike. The levers that I'm going to be installing today are these Vortex Raceline 2.0 race levers. They're black and adjustable 6 ways. I think these are going to look really cool on the bike. They are made out of aluminum and they are pretty light too. They do feel pretty good as well. Alright, the first thing you're going to want to do is put together your Vortex racing levers. These come in 2 different parts. They have the mounting bracket for the lever and then the lever itself. I went ahead and I put it together, the brake lever already off screen, but I'll put together the clutch right in front of you. Now on each lever you're going to have a number of parts. You're going to have a brass bushing, an 8mm nut, your spring, and a 4mm hex bit bolt. Now follow along and you'll be able to put your clutch together. So as you can see, the clutch goes together in 2 parts, and you'll have to line these up to get them to go together properly. The spring goes in the little hole down here on the lever itself. The brass bushing goes into the mounting bracket, and now you can slide your 2 parts together. Push down on the spring and then put the bolt through the hole. Finally, take your 8mm nut and start threading it onto the bolt. Use a screwdriver or Allen key to hold the bolt while you tighten the nut onto the bolt. And there you go, your clutch is put together. The brake lever goes together in much the same way. Just follow these steps just on the other side. Now let's go take the old levers off of the bike. Alright, I'm going to start out with the brake lever. On the bottom of the brake lever there is a 10mm nut. I'm going to use my flat blade screwdriver to hold on to the screw while I loosen the nut from the bottom. There you go, clutch lever's out. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you've been able to learn something from this video, and you can now change the levers on your motorcycle as well. Specifically, the CBR600 F4i is an awesome bike, and I think I just made it even that much better. Slowly but surely this bike is coming along, and eventually we're going to make it to the track, I promise you guys. But there's a couple more things that need to get done first. So, with that being said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.